Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Rete Tanapi, and I would like to answer the final test question. Okay, so number one, what do you know about sonority? The answer is the definition sonority is the quality or state of being sonorous or resonance, but in phonetics, sonority is the perceptibility or distinctness of speech sounds when spoken in a context in which stress, pitch, and sound duration are constant. So, in fact, vowels possessing greater sonority than consonants. Okay, next number two. What is meant by coda and onset? The answer is coda and onset is coda and onset is two kind different. So onset is the consonant that precedes the peak, and for coda the consonant that follows the onset. Okay, next number three. What is the difference between pure vowel and diphthong? The answer is the differences between pure vowels and diphthong. So a pure vowel is a vowel that does not contain any diphthongs. In other words, it does not contain any consonant sounds other than the vowel, and above the diphthongs are a class of sound that characterized by a long O sound and a sound that is attached to the O sound. Next, number four. What is meant by semivowel? Semivowel is a speech sound that has the articulation of a vowel, but that is shorter in duration and is treated as a consonant in syllabication. Number five. Explain the kinds of variables that can classify vowel. Okay, the answer is linguistically classify vowels according to four pieces of information: tongue height, tongue thickness, lip rounding, and tensiness. Number six. Explain about lateral consonants by giving the example. In phonetics, lateral consonant is a consonant sound produced by raising the tip of the tongue against the roof of the mouth so that the air stream flows past one or both sides of the tongue. Example, I. Number seven. Why a vowel sound is said to be central? Because when the central part of the tongue is raised, the vowel sound so produced is called a central vowel. Number 8. What is meant by transition, and give the example of it? The answer is transition is a articulation process of one sound and followed by another sound. Example, cat has 3 segmental. Number 9. What are the differences between vowel and consonant? The answer is vowel is a speech sound in which the mouth is open and the tongue is not touching the top of the mouth. A letter that represents a vowel sound is A, I, U, E, O. And then consonant is a speech sound made by completely through the mouth. A letter of the alphabet that represent a consonant sound, for example, B, C, D, F, and etc. The last question is number 10. Explain the kinds of consonants. There are 3 types in consonants. Type number one is the type of consonant based on place abstraction. There are bilabial consonant. Its abstraction is formed by the two lips, where the two lips are used to abstract the air. And then labiodental consonants, there is abstracted by the lower lip against the upper teeth. Next, dental consonants, the air is abstracted by the tip of the tongue and the upper teeth. And then alveolar consonants, the abstraction is formed by some part of the tongue. And then palatal is the air obstructed by raising the front of the tongue in the direction of the hard plate. Next, velar is the obstruction of the air is formed by the back of the tongue against the soft palate or velum. And then glottal consonant is the obstruction of the air is formed at the glottis, either putting the two vocal cords in close contact or by separating them. Next, type 2 is the types of consonant based on manner of obstruction. There are plosive or stop consonant, affricate consonant, fricative consonant, nasal consonant, lateral consonant, semi-vowel or glide consonant, and roll consonant. And the last type is type of consonant based on the activity of vocal cords. When the production of consonant is accompanied by the vibration of the vocal cords, the consonant is said to be voiced. When it's not, it is said to be voiceless. And then consonants have no counterparts. And the last is all voiced consonant is in initial and final position are unvoiced. They are not completely voiced throughout their production. For the example is unvoiced is big and voiced is rabbit ago. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.